Palladium against US dollar. This week has tried to rise in value. The price formed this small bearish candle with a larger wick on the upper side, on the lower side, continued to rise in value, forming another bullish candle with the price going even more down and even more up. And then on Wednesday, the price tried to reach higher price levels with a large wick on the upside. The price could not go above this resistance level, and then Thursday formed a bearish candle, and on Friday the price also made a gap between the open and close price, and then the price formed the small bullish candle here. Now, the weekly time frame shows us a bearish candle formed here with a larger wick on the upside, a small wick on the lower side. Monthly time frame shows us still bullish, a bearish candle with a larger wick on the upper side. So how the price will behave around this price level where the price currently is next week, everything depends, and we'll see on the daily time frame much more clearly. Now for the monthly, we have one more week until this month closes. Currently, what I can see, the price will try a bearish candle which will close below, indicating further decline in price value where the next level is 82.30. Now, for the weekly time frame, I can see this is still bearish candle indicating further decline down, and what I can see, the next level will be around 880.63 where the price could stop, and if the price goes below this one, 82.30 will be the next target. Now, the daily time frame shows us a very important confluence of support and the resistance between the buyers and the sellers fight, because no one can make any significant move moving upwards or downwards. For now, I am much more inclined to see the price going even more down based on what I can see on the weekly time frame, and the next support level where the price could stop is this one here, 881.55, which is the lowest price level for these candles candles body open and close price level. Now, if the price goes above 937.50, this will indicate cancellation of this bearish trend, and it will try to move to the higher price levels, moving and forming this monthly time frame bearish candle into bullish. So what will happen? Everything depends around this price level, but I am more inclined to see the price going even more down.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.